videos thing. It's been a few days, but I am here in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, and I'm so excited to be here. I just got here late last night. I took a sleeper bus from Cambodia, and it was just like an 11-hour journey. It was a long day, and but well worth it, because Ho Chi Minh City, I've been walking around this morning, and this place really touches all the senses because there's so much to see, to hear, definitely to smell. The culture here is just like intense, but it's like so rich. And one thing about the traffic is the Vietnamese here do not use the horn to like signal that something is wrong. They use the horn to indicate that, you know, like there's a car right behind you, they're next to you, they're about to pass you, they're here. They use the horn for everything. So initially it's a little bit annoying, and you kind of have to get used to it, and it's also a little bit funny, just like the fact that they use the horn so much. But I don't know, it's very different. Ho Chi Minh is like, at least this is my initial impression after only being here, you know, less than a day, and just like exploring here this morning. It just seems like a great city to walk around, because it seems like it's big enough, but not at the same time it's not like huge, and there's so many things that you can see. Whereas in other cities like Bangkok, Siem Reap, like you can walk around, but after a while it starts to feel like it's all the same. But here, like, you pass a corner, and I don't know, there's just something new. There's new sounds, new smells, new things to see. I feel like I could just walk around the city for hours, so that's the plan at least.
No problem. Okay, take it. Take it. Hey, go.
Where? Okay. So he took my shoes, and I don't know what's going on here, but I guess he's cleaning them. Yeah. How much? What? USA.
You say how long you been in Vietnam?
1 day.
1 day Ho Chi Minh.
Yeah. Today.
When you go Hanoi?
I have to say that was super cool, because I was just walking and that guy came up out of nowhere and just started cleaning my shoes and removed them, put a new sole on. Wow, like, these shoes are nice and clean now. A few weeks ago they were super dirty when I went jungle trekking through Thailand, but now they have like a new sole on the inside, traction on the bottom. Wow, come to Vietnam and they'll fix up your shoes so then you don't have to buy new ones. So I've come to this market. Hello. Just looking, and everyone like comes up to you and they're pulling you into their shops and like, oh, what would you like to buy? And good price. Hello.
You want to buy t-shirt, something?
Maybe. I'm just walking right now.
Some more shirt for you.
Yeah, good price.
Yes.
Yeah, so everyone offers great price, right? Say hello. And yeah, there's many tempting options here. Usually can negotiate a good price, but it's very intense here, very different compared to Cambodia. People are a lot more outgoing here, and I like that, but it's a little intense.
Yeah.
A cat?
Yes.
No, I don't buy. A cat? No.
Very cute.
Yeah, very cute.
Ah. $1.
$1? No.
$1 only 1 hour.
Oh, $1 for 1 hour? And then I bring it back?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Say meow con.
Wow.
Nó đang uống nước.
So cute.
Nè meow meow nè, meow meow ring meow nè.
City, day 2. But first, let me recap last night. Not only did I get a haircut here, that was an interesting experience. experience, and it actually does not look that bad in my opinion. I went to a sky bar with some friends, and it was 52 floors up, had the best view over the city. Thank you. Alright, just grabbed another coffee for the road. This is the best coffee in the world. The Vietnamese coffee. You cannot go wrong with that. But anyways, breakfast was coffee and a banh mi sandwich. Very tasty. Still have yet to try the pho. Not a huge soup person, but I don't know, I guess I have to try it. Alright, so I was walking to the museum, and I just looked to my right and basically stumbled upon this here city park. It's a really nice park, and the road is just behind me, but it's like the farther that you go in the park, the more quiet it is, because there's a lot of noise from the street with all the horns and the cars and all that. This is a noisy city. But anyways, I always try and go to a nice city park in every city I go to, and so far, I mean, this is pretty nice. I didn't know what to expect from Vietnamese city parks, but you know, it's quiet here. There's some nice green spaces. Definitely a nice place to hang out. It is day 3 here in Ho Chi Minh, and just getting the morning started here. Just got some delicious breakfast. Hello. And using the Grab app, I booked a motorcycle taxi, so they're coming to pick me up. Very cheap. So we're going to the city hall. Yeah? Camera. On the back of a Grab bike here. I have yet to take a motorcycle taxi. Actually, I've done it like once or twice, but it's the best way to get around. Very tight spaces with the traffic here. Quite exciting though. As I said before, I still stand by. Best way to get around. So I've arrived here at what I believe is City Hall. I think that there was a breakdown in communication between myself and the driver, because several times he was talking to me and I just had no idea what he was saying because he had a mask on. So I was just like, okay, yeah, whatever. And he took me somewhere else, but I was like, no, I don't want to go there. I want to go to the City Hall. So I think that's where I am now. But I have not seen, I don't think, any other American company besides Starbucks, and that's great. Especially no McDonald's, no KFC. Hopefully it stays that way forever. Hopefully the government is like regulating that in some way, because they should not be here. It just ruins the local culture and the local cuisine. So here, outside of the restaurant, they have that famous photo of Obama and Bourdain eating. And look at that food, it looks so good. It's about to be me in just a sec, but not as cool as Obama and Bourdain. In this restaurant, they have this photo everywhere of Obama and Bourdain eating. And that is just an iconic photo. Right, so I've just received the food, and it looks absolutely delicious. Okay, so that food was pretty incredible. It was really tasty, and I'm really looking forward to seeing the actual restaurant in Hanoi. Hopefully sometime in the next 48 68, 72 hours, I see that. Got a few things to take care of, but I should be able to put that in. Anyway, I've come back outside and emerged into this rainstorm. But good thing I don't have far to walk. So I've arrived here at the airport in Ho Chi Minh City. Off to Hanoi today. At first I thought I could only bring one bag on the plane, so I had to repack my bag and stuff. And I was planning on checking one, but good thing is they do allow you to bring both bags on, and I don't trust airlines, so these bags are kind of heavy though. But so far, pretty smooth check-in process, and I'm excited to get to Hanoi.